Welcome back once again to the online class. I am once again back here with your EVS. This is for class 4. Before starting the class, let us tell you that we have completed some of the portions of the chapter 1, Going to School. We'll continue with the other portions of the chapter. We'll do the other portion of the chapter. Let us start. This is your book, Environmental Studies Looking Around by NCERT. Let us open the chapter 1, which is Going to School. We have completed up to page 6. Yes, we have completed up to page 6. This bicycle ride, we have completed that 2 questions at the bottom of the chapter. Page we have done also. We'll start page number 7 today. So let us write. This is for page number 7. Okay, before starting, let us tell you something I have to tell you here. Jugaad. What a vehicle. All of you must follow. Jugaad, what a vehicle. Look at your special transport. It sounds foot when it runs. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. So this is a special vehicle. It is called Jugaad. It sounds foot. The front part it looks like motorcycle and the back is made of planks of wood to carry the passengers. So questions now given. Do you have such vehicles in your area? You should have your own idea. If you have those vehicles in your area, you will write yes. If not, then I know. So I am writing. If it is question 1, we'll write. Do you have such vehicles in your area? No. I don't have. If yes, if your area having those type of vehicle, you write yes. But I am writing but no, I don't have. But you should have your own idea here. But there are other type of. But there are other types of Jugaad vehicles. Okay. Next question is given here. What do you call them in your area? Okay. What is the name? If it is there, it is area name given is bike van, or you can write motor van, or electronic rickshaw. Okay, it is bike van or motor van or electronic rickshaw. Next question is, would you like to ride in something like this? Why? Do you want to have a ride in this type of vehicle? I'll write. These are all the answers I am writing, not the question. Question 3 answer. If it is question 3, yes, I would like to have a ride. Why? It would be great fun. Yes, I would like to have a ride. It would be great fun. Okay. Then another question is there. There, question number 4. Can you tell why it is called jugar? Why it is called jugar? You write because it is made by putting together. It is made by putting together parts from different vehicles and machines. Because it is made by putting together parts from different vehicles and machines, that is machines, that is tires, engine, wooden parts from different things. Okay, so we have completed this 4 questions here. We will continue with the part written here. See here, the jugar has been made by putting together parts from other vehicles or machines. For example, tires, engine, wooden parts from different things. That is why it is called jugar. Jugar means putting together. Why don't you also try to make something new by putting together parts from different things? Can you think of a place where none of the vehicles can reach? Yes, there are such places. Turn to next page. Children, page number 8. See here, children cross the jungle. We have to go through a thick forest to reach school. At some places it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. So here it is talking about the jungle, where children are going through the jungle, going to the forest to reach the school. It is not so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. Now the question is, children are crossing through the jungle, and here the question is, this is page number 8. Have you ever been in a thick jungle or any such place? Yes. If it is question 1, I am writing yes. If you have gone to any jungle area, you can write yes. If no, you should have your own idea. Yes, I have been in a jungle or forest. Write your experience in your own book. You should write your own idea. I have seen the thick forest, number of trees, so many trees are there, many animals I have seen. You should write this experience, your own experience in your notebook. Then question number 3. Can you recognize some birds by their sound? Can you recognize? Question 2, you will write many animals in the forest and many trees, big trees in the forest and many big trees. I have said, if you have explained many more, Then question number 3, if that is question number 3, that answer, can you recognize some birds by their sound? You can recognize, yes. I can recognize birds such as parrot, sparrow, eagle, peacock, by their sound. Okay. Can you imitate the sound of some birds? Do it. So you should have your own idea. If you can imitate the voice, using the sound of some birds, you can do by yourself. Then coming here, moving on the snow. See, moving on the snow. See here, moving on the snow. See how we reach school. We go to school through miles of snow. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. Have you ever seen, now the question is, have you ever seen so much snow? Where? In films or somewhere else? So I will write this one. This is Northern Hills. Here picture is given. They are holding their hands and they are passing through the snowy area. See, have you ever seen so much snow? Then I will write it. If it is question number 4, the answer will be yes. I have seen so much snow in the hilly regions. On TV or films also. So next page, and one question is left here. Page number 9. If I tell that one, page number 9, related to this snowy, moving on the snowy area. Do you think that such places have snow all the time? Why? That answer will be question number 9. First answer will be, it is related to this moving on the snow. So I am writing this answer. Yes. Why they have all the time snow? Yes, because these places are located at great height from the surface of the earth. Okay, so I have written, do you think such places have snow all the time? Why? Yes, these places are located at great height from the surface of the earth. Surface of the earth. So today up to this much we have done. Hope we will proceed with the other part, page number 9, other question answer, other thing to explain. We will continue this 9 and 10. Okay, thank you very much.